How to make Chrome to use less RAM? Yeah, if you're using the lots of tabs on Chrome or using the lots of window, then your Chrome browser using your around up to 80% RAM. Okay, so it is depend on your computer RAM or PC or laptop RAM. So I'm going to show you the simple ways to how you can get fix it and how you can make your Chrome faster and how you can make Chrome to use the laser less RAM. So let's start with the video, guys. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So there is a server method you have to follow. So first method is you need to check whether your computer Chrome browser up to date or not. So how you can check it? Just click on this little three dot at your left corner, right corner, upper right corner, and go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see if it is up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start automatically update, and after update you Chrome will ask you to relaunch the Chrome browser. So here you can see the button, just click on it and your browser will be relaunched or reopen. Okay, the second step, you can go to the settings, systems, and here you can see the option called continue running background app and when your Google Chrome is closed. So this is by default on, but you need to off it, because when you close the Chrome, then other background data will be running background, other data will be continuing in background. So it is better to close it to make faster your Chrome browser and use the less RAM. Okay, so and another is you can go to the reset and clean, and here you can restore the setting. Okay, it will be won't affect your bookmarks history and save password. It is only will reset your Chrome setting Chrome shortcut. It will be disable extension. Okay, you can enable again, and this is delete cookies and other temporary site data. So you can reset the setting, and here you can go to the cleanup also, and here you have to find out is there any harmful software in your computer which is affected to Chrome. Just find or scan. After scan, you will see if there is any software here. Then just go to your Windows or system and delete the software from there. Okay, so now let's move to the next methods. You need to go in flag setting. Just come to the search bar in setting and select the settings and restore data here, delete it, and type here is flags. It will bring you the flags. Now just type down loading. So here, so you can see the in parallel downloading. So it is enable parallel downloading to accelerate your download speed. So you have to enable it and relaunch your browser. Okay, after relaunch, it will be accelerate your download speed and your Chrome browser speed. Okay, and it is also help to use the less RAM on Chrome browser. Okay, just enable it and just relaunch. Okay, I don't want to enable, I just make it default only. Okay, now we need to clear the DNS caches. So I can clean, just type here cdm command prompt, just right click on it and run as administrator, click on yes. Now we need to enter the two commands. First command is to clear the DNS caches. So this is the command ipconfig space / flush DNS, and just hit the enter. And another command is you can reset the Windows socks. Okay, just hit the enter. I will show the close this command very close. Okay, you can see the both command. You can note down, this is command and this is another command. You can note down on your notebook and you can use as per your time. So just zoom out it. Okay, after this, okay, so this is a method then you can use to use the laser RAM on your Chrome. And the last method, which is very important and is very helpful too, if you are using the lots of tab here, like you are using the lots of tab here and your Chrome browser eating your lots of RAM. So when you use the lots of tab here, then definitely your Chrome browser will eat the lots of RAM. So how can fix it? So there is one extension you can use. So we need to go in this more of tools, go to the extensions and go to this 3-line option, go to the Open Chrome Web Store, and here you can click on extension and tab one tab. Okay, one tab is an extension. It is very useful when you use lots of tab on Chrome. So just click on this, add to the Chrome. It will be add. After that, just click on this puzzle icon, pin it. It will be pin here. Now if I open the lots of tab here like this, okay, if I use the lots of tab like Twitter, Facebook and any other website, like anything, so when you use lot of tab, your speed will be slow and the Chrome using the lots of RAM. So there is a one option which I show you. You can use this one tab. Just click again. When you click, you can see the all tab will be converted into one tab, and it is show in list. Okay, so here you can see this is my 4 tab here, and now I can open any tab which I want to use, and it will be open in the next tab and you can use it. Okay, so the one tab is very useful for if you are using the lots of tab here. Okay, so last step, you can use the unwanted extension. Go to this special icon, go to the manage extension, and here you can see all your extension and app. I don't have app. You can scroll down and you can see if you have any apps. So this is my extension, and you can see which is unwanted extension or don't recognize extension. Just make it disable and remove from your Chrome. So it will be very helpful to use the less RAM on Chrome. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.